Well, I did it again. Another 151 tin. Let's see what's in it. I love the 151 tins. Do-do-do-do. All right. Oh, we got our coin. We got our little card here. Talks about Slowpoke. How he's slow and he's pokey. 151. What can we get? Can we get a Zard out of one of these? Wouldn't that be awesome? That'd be Zartastic. Alright, what do we got here? Grass! That Geodude. Jigglypuff. Staryu. Charmander. Seeking. Butterfree. Lapras. Butterfree Reverse. Beedrill Reverse and Moltres! Yeah! Alright, what's in our next one here? Man. That one was sealed. Okay, here we go. Cubone. Vulpix. Magnemite. Caterpie, sorry. Hitmonlee. Wordle. Hypno. Parasect. Reverse. Old Amber. And Aerodactyl. This is still a cool card. Like, check that out. Very cool. Well, thanks for watching.